Although the track is miles away, I hear your beck and call by night and by day. Cold gray steel, your warmth is allayed beneath the glow in my heart from childhood days. Mountains and plains, coal fields and grains, cattle and cars, they're all on the train. Where are you going? Where have you been? Ne'er I'm alone, for the conductor's my friend. Nathan and Leslie, your song is the bond, harmony, melody, sweet music so fond. Timeless travels, an endless sojourn, your heart, no, your soul, is the call of your horn. What young man, or old man for that matter, wouldn't want a set of train horns on their truck? But they're so expensive. Not all are excessively expensive.
1, 2, 3.
But then again, those are crap. If it were possible, what would be a better father-son project than to build a train horn system? Well, thanks to Dozerboy 0714, we found such a process. His $9 book led us down the long but fulfilling path to create a masterpiece. The process starts with PVC parts as seen here. The plan was for a Nathan air chime M5. However, we had trouble getting the two higher notes, so we elected to build the M3, which uses the same three first notes. After much building, adjusting, and tuning, we're left with a pretty cool start. Then comes the planning and engineering to develop the remainder of the system, mounting the 12-gallon air tank and the 1 horsepower continuous duty air compressor. To get the most accurate real train sound, allowing a metered air feed, a Graham White type valve is required, which also requires its own engineered and fabricated mount seen here. Our Puma compressor has a draw of 46 amps, requiring 10 gauge wire and 50 amp fuse. But when it's all completed, one can go and just wait for the train to arrive.